Sir, thank you so much for joining us on Bloomberg. We know that we've had that announcement from Microsoft. When will the royalties actually start coming in?
Oh, well, that's some years out. Microsoft announced yesterday that a future version of Windows will run on ARM-based chips. Now, it typically takes a couple of years for a product to get developed, a mixture of hardware and software, and so we earn royalties when those chips start getting shipped into real products. So probably a couple of years out at the very minimum.
I know it's difficult to quantify at the moment, but how many chips do you actually expect to be putting into those devices?
Well, this really depends on the share that Microsoft managed to achieve of the internet-connected devices that are going to be around in 2012, 2013, 2014. We're expecting billions of internet-connected devices. Right now, Microsoft, of course, have a very, very high market share in the PC space. And we'll see how well they do in the wider world of internet-connected devices.
Now, are there also other partnerships and possibilities to combine with Microsoft on other areas, for example, phones?
Oh, absolutely. Microsoft have worked with ARM for the last 13 years on running their phone operating system on ARM-based platforms. They work with us on embedded software, where they're running Microsoft software in all sorts of industrial products where you don't necessarily know this Microsoft software running. So they have a healthy relationship with us for a long time.
Now, it's been quite a week for tech stocks in general. We had the impact of Qualcomm's purchase of Atheros. Will that actually change the way that you can do business in the sector?
No, I don't think so. The tech sector's full of these sorts of movements from time to time, and ARM's stance is always to enable as many players as possible to ensure that consumers and the manufacturers who are building products have choice of their supplier and have choice of ARM-based products from those suppliers.
How is 2011 looking like for your company, but also the industry in general? A lot of companies and a lot of industries are struggling, and there seems to be quite a lot of strength in your industry.
Yeah, there is a lot of strength in the industry. I think we're seeing a lot of the technology promises that have been made over the last 5 to 10 years turn into reality. And coming here to CES is really encouraging, because we can see the sorts of technologies that we've been talking about for that time now finding their way into real products that you and I might go into shops and buy.
ARM Holdings has always been speculated about being a possible takeover target. Does this put you in a more vulnerable position because you did win this contract with Microsoft?
I don't think it makes any difference to that, really. I mean, we've said all along that ARM has a neutral position in the industry. It's a supplier to products based on many different operating systems with silicon made by many different silicon manufacturers, and that neutral position is the best outcome for shareholders and customers alike. And so I don't really think that this changes it. What it does change is it accelerates the potential of ARM products or ARM processors being found in now a complete range of computing products.
Would you say that today ARM Holdings is for sale?
Well, ARM Holdings is a public company. As I say, we believe the best answer for shareholders and customers alike is for ARM to maintain its neutral, independent position, and we're going to continue doing that. And there's all sorts of speculation, but we don't really comment on rumors and speculation.
Mr. Rees, what is your actual biggest concern for 2011?
Our biggest concern for 2011, my biggest concern, is execution for our business. We have huge opportunities at the moment, opportunities coming at us from all ends of the computing spectrum. It's a very exciting time for ARM, but we have to deliver on the promises that we've made to our customers. This is cutting-edge engineering technology, and those deliveries always involve a lot of hard work, and so that's our main challenge.
Nothing on the recovery or the strength of the recovery? Is this something that concerns you because certain orders may be tied to what the economy is actually doing?
Well, of course, but that's impossible to get away from. I mean, for us, what's happening in the background economy is a bit like the weather out there. It's something that we have to work around, and we have to manage our business to ensure that we're growing no matter what's happening to the surrounding economy. The good news is that ARM is exposed to areas of strong structural growth. There are concerns about use of energy. ARM's energy efficient technology here at CES is on show, helping products be more energy efficient. The consumerization of the internet is another long-term structural trend, and all of these internet-connected devices are using ARM technology. So fortunately, we're exposed to areas of strong growth.
Mr. East, thank you so much.